Two letters included in FBI SE 2021 paper. ये दो लेटर्स रिड्यूस सिलेबस में इंक्लूड है और इन दो लेटर्स में से कोई एक लेटर फेडरल बोर्ड 2021 के पेपर में आएगा। लेटर 1, लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर रिगार्डिंग पुअर सैनिटेशन। क्वेश्चन आएगा, राइट अ लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर रिगार्डिंग पुअर सैनिटेशन। The editor, Delhi Express, Islamabad. Sir, through the column of your esteemed paper, I want to draw the attention of concerned authorities to the poor sanitation of our colony. Most of the gutters are without manholes. Mostly they remained blocked. Water often comes out in the streets to enter the houses. This water has adopted the shape of small pools which have become the breeding sites for mosquitoes. If necessary steps have not been taken, epidemics may break out any time. I request the concerned authorities to look into this matter and save the lives of the people. Yours faithfully, XYZ. Letter number 2, letter to the editor of a newspaper regarding increasing rate of street crimes. क्वेश्चन है, राइट अ लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर रिगार्डिंग इंक्रीजिंग रेट ऑफ स्ट्रीट क्राइम्स। द एडिटर, द डेली न्यूज़, Islamabad. Sir, through the columns of your esteemed paper, I want to draw the attention of concerned authorities regarding the increasing rate of street crimes in our area. Snatching of mobile phones, handbags and wallet is very common. No one's life and property is safe now. People are in fear while traveling at any time of the day or night. Police is also not taking serious action against these criminals, and it has become a spreading threat for the citizens. I request the authorities responsible for security to take serious steps to control these street crimes. Yours sincerely, XYZ.